Welcome to 100 Tips for Editors, where we refine your craft one step at a time. Today, we're exploring tip number 30. I'm a professional editor, and I've learned that the best stories aren't just seen, they are felt deeply through the choices we make. Every cut is a decision about how much of the character's heart you want to reveal to the audience at that exact moment. Take a look at this wide shot. It tells us where we are and what is happening. It provides context and scale for the scene. But wide shots can feel distant. To truly connect, we must move in. Close-ups are the windows to the character's internal emotional state. In an extreme close-up, every detail matters. A single tear welling up conveys a world of sorrow that a wide shot simply misses. As the expression shifts to relief, the camera captures that subtle light in the eyes. The audience feels that breakthrough right along with her. The close-up is your most intimate tool. Use it wisely to anchor your audience to the emotion of your narrative. Keep editing. Remember, tip 30, use close-ups for emotion. Subscribe for more tips to elevate your video editing game. See you next time.